Mabuhay! I'm Michael D. Bandilion, a wellness practitioner here in the Philippines for almost 10 years. Being a participant of Online International Massage 2021, I will showcase an Asian-inspired for my category, our traditional Hilot Wellness Massage. The tools and proper sequence that I'm using for are our virgin coconut oil for my 5 manipulations that we call hagod, haplos, pindot, pisil, and piga. The second one that I'm using for is our herbal medicinal plants. For example, our banana leaf and the tuba-tuba leaf. We will fire it and put at the back of the body's client. The third one that I'm doing for is our cupping technique or moving ventosa to suck out the air and stagnant of the body where is the affected areas. The fourth one that I'm using for is our bamboo sticks or 2 rattan sticks. This will focus the leg and foot massages. In addition, I will do also a face and neck massage for relaxation. And then, for my final technique, fire touch therapy as my very own signature technique. This will complete the therapy session as the fire and heat will penetrate inside my client's body. Hilot is an ancient Filipino art of hands-on healing that involves intuition and massage. Our traditional massage is a full body treatment promoting muscle relaxation through some deep and long press strokes. There are 5 basic manipulations we use during a Hilot wellness massage. First, hagod, long deep strokes. Using finger, palm, and forearm, by doing this, you can feel the cold and stagnant of the body through palm scanning. Second, haplos, or short light strokes. For relaxation and preparing the body, spreading the oil for the treatment. Third, pindot or press. Using thumb fingers to press 1 inch apart and opening the flow energy of the body. Fourth manipulation are we called pisil or small squeeze to press and release the stress
and tired muscles. Our fifth manipulation stroke are we called piga or big squeeze to pinch big skin rolling and to extract and grind the frost. The benefits of 5 manipulation strokes are the following. It relieves muscle pain, relieves pinched nerves, aids in giving birth and helps a mother recovery after her labor, and most importantly, improves blood circulation. Our second sequence for a traditional hilot massage are called banana leaf scanning, a native plant found in any tropical countries, especially here in our country. Banana scanning is a proven relief of minor discomforts of the veins, bones, and muscles. It cures fever, sprains, muscles, weakness, strained body pains, dislocated uterus, and many more. It uses homemade virgin coconut oil infused with different herbs, which is then massaged onto the client's affected body part areas. Experts says the Pinoy therapeutic massage is a hit because there is no risk of overdose. Banana leaves are a natural ionizer that works on bioenergy with its application to the skin to a certain part of the body and determines which part of the body needs necessary attention and recovers balance and harmony to the body. Banana leaves also have an antiseptic effect. It has been a useful way of treating illnesses from flu to sprains and even bone dislocations. It is embedded in the Filipino culture and it's still into practice as an alternative medicine massage. Tuba-tuba leaf or Jatropha coarcus is also a native plant found in any tropical countries. The natives always using this as an alternative medicinal herbal plant. It is used externally for healing wounds, bleeding, rheumatism, and other skin diseases, especially a healing plant agent for tired muscles and affected sprains in any part of the body. After leaf scanning, our third sequence for a traditional hilot massage are we called ventosa massage or cupping therapy. It is performed by placing glass on a specific acupuncture area on your back. A technique is used to create a vacuum inside the glass placed on your back which lifts the skin. The practitioner then moves the cup toward the outside parts of the body, sucking the air away. Cupping therapy is an ancient form of alternative medicine in which a therapist puts special cups on your skin for a few minutes to create suction. People get it for many purposes, including to help with pain, inflammation, blood flow, relaxation, and well-being, and as a type of deep tissue massage. Dagdagay is a Filipino traditional leg and foot massage, our fourth sequence of traditional hilot massage. It is originate from the mountain provinces of the Cordillera region, where it was practiced by the hill tribes. Dagdagay is an acupressure treatment for the feet. Dagdagay is an acupressure treatment uses two bamboo or rattan sticks in place of finger pressure to stimulate the soles and cleanse and purify the feet. It begins with a soothing foot soak on a healing herbs in a huge clay vessel and capped with a relaxing herbal foot wrap and a massage. Facial massage can be done by a practitioner and by yourself. This beauty technique is considered to be the best way to suit your skin and get a perfect complexion. The techniques include stimulating the pressure points on your face and neck. You can also add this to your skincare routine by using a lotion, face serum, or oil and apply it with a crystal or a roller, which will give you a relaxing massage. A massage calms your mind, rejuvenates your skin, and relaxes your face muscles. Our fifth sequence to complete a traditional hilot wellness massage, our very own fire touch therapy signature, is known to be used to treat various kinds of ailments like rheumatism, rheumatoid arthritis, frozen shoulders, lumbar disc hernia, joint sprains, tumors, and digestive problems. Getting a fire touch massage lowers blood pressure. A treatment where earth, wind, fire, and light meet, a pure satisfaction.